Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a virtual hug to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a miracle drink that will help you to whiten or lighten your skin from deep within. Once your inner body is healthy, this will definitely reflect on your outer body. This remedy, I'm really excited to show you this remedy because a lot of people pay attention to their outer body, but this remedy is a remedy that actually shows you that what actually goes into your system goes a long way in affecting your outer skin. So you need to pay attention to what goes into your system. So this drink is a combination of different fruits that is very healthy for our body and also that is also healthy for our skin. So don't pay attention to only what you apply on your skin topically, also pay attention to things that goes into your system. This fruit blend is a wonderful drink because it is healthy, it's actually rejuvenates your skin, it is a very nice drink. And so this is not just going to help your skin, this is also very healthy. It's more like a juice, but this juice is actually good for your skin and for your health as well. So I'm someone that don't really like to eat fruits that way, so I prefer to blend my fruit and then have it as a drink. And having this fruit blend is going to literally save your skin. It will help you to get rid of your dark spots, it will help you to achieve a glowing skin, it will help you to achieve that flawless and even skin tone you've always wanted. So those of you that spend thousands buying good creams and good soap, of course it's good to buy a good soap and a good cream, but you have to also pay attention to what goes into your system because that actually goes a long way in reflecting on your outer skin. I know a friend that would rather spend a lot of money on eating healthy food than buy an expensive soap or expensive cream. And if you know something, her skin looks literally beautiful because she eats healthy, she eats a lot of fruit and a lot of balanced diet. So pay attention to what goes into your system. And so after blabbing this much, I'm just going to go right ahead to show you guys this remedy. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Click on the red subscribe button down below this video. Also right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find the notification bell icon. Click on it, that way you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you know anyone who this drink or this remedy will be useful to, do not hesitate to share this video to that person. Let's get right into this video. So our first ingredient for this remedy is papaya. I think papaya is a botanical name for pawpaw. I guess if I'm wrong, correct me. So a glass of papaya juice is a great way to get essential vitamins and minerals. It contains digestive enzymes called papain, which is useful in curing injuries and allergies. In addition, it also contains vitamin A, B, C, and K, and also beta carotene. So papaya contains all these vitamins which is essential to our body. So this is our first ingredient, which is a ripe papaya. So I'm going to show you guys our next ingredients. Second ingredient is apple. Apples are good source of fiber and vitamin C. They also contain polyphenols which may have numerous health benefits. So this is the benefits of our apple. I'm going to show you guys our third ingredient. Our third ingredient is beetroot. Beetroot juice is a rich source of iron, vitamins, and minerals, and these give you a healthy and glowing skin. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice regularly helps cleanse the body of toxins. It purifies blood and leads to a healthy, glowing skin. So this is the benefit of our third ingredient. I'm going to show you guys our fourth and final ingredient. Our fourth and final ingredient is carrots. Carrot juice is rich in vitamins A, vitamin C, carotenoids, potassium, antifungal and antibacterial substances that are ideal for people who suffer from acne, and this also helps to whiten or lighten up your skin from deep within. So I have told you guys the benefits of all our ingredients. I'm going to start mixing these ingredients all up together. These are all my ingredients neatly washed, so I'm just going to go blend this because I'm making this into a juice. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to show you guys what the juice looks like. So I'm going to blend this. I'm going to chop it up first of all, add some water into my blender, and then blend this all up together. So once I'm done blending, I'm going to show you guys the end result or the finished results. So at this point I am done blending up my ingredients all up together, and as you can see, my drink is ready, my skin lightening drink. The most interesting thing I like about this remedy is that you don't need to apply this on your skin, so this is going into your system, so it helps to rejuvenate your skin from deep within. So you don't just this actually shows that what actually goes into your system goes a long way in helping your skin look beautiful. So not just what you apply topically on your skin that actually works, what you take into your system work. And this is a combination of different fruits. This is a fruit blend that will help you to glow, lighten up, and rejuvenate your skin. So at this point our remedy is ready. I'm going to set this aside and of course sip it, and then show you guys how to do that, when and how to have this drink. So guys, that is how to make that drink, which is very easy to make. All you have to do is to just chop your ingredients into smaller slices, throw this into your blender, add a little water into it, and blend it all up together, and then you transfer this into a glass cup. So you're supposed to have this drink after breakfast, or you're supposed to have this as a juice alongside your breakfast. So instead of taking your regular Coke, you can substitute this for this healthy drink that will help your skin and of course help your health as well. So that is how to make that drink, which is so easy. So make sure you have this drink every single day, and you will literally notice the difference, because you will notice that your skin will begin to glow from the outer part. So pay attention to what goes into your system. Eat healthy, eat adequate, eat healthy, eat balanced diet, eat a lot of fruits, and your skin will literally thank you. So once you're paying attention to what goes into your system, you realize you have less breakouts, you have less acne, you have less hyperpigmentation, because you're taking care of your inner body and not just your outer. So pay attention to your inner body and also your outer body as well. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys, and if it has, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Do so now. Click on the red subscribe button down below this video. It is totally free. Right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find the notification bell icon. Click on it, that's you'll be notified each time a new video comes up on this channel. If you find this video helpful and educative, do not hesitate to smash the like button. And if you know anyone who this video is going to be useful to, don't forget to share this video to that person. Until I come your way next time, I remain your host, Ogochukwu. Bye guys.